Money Moves with Myth 2.0, the podcast. And always remember, gentlemen, it's a motherfucking movie. So, guys, we got yet another one of those videos you guys like me reacting to. Yet another body cam video. And on this video today, this modern woman from Michigan gets pulled over for a simple traffic citation, and she's going to decide to drive off. And when she drives off, she's about to run her car into a store, directly through it. So, guys, we're going to be reacting to this video. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's hop straight into the content.
She just crashed into Alta,
Hey, where's your asshole? Just stop!
Royal Oak officers initiated a traffic stop after spotting a white SUV driving along active railroad tracks. Deputies pulled the vehicle over and approached the driver to investigate. As officers reached the SUV, they observed an open container of alcohol inside. While deputies were still conducting the stop, the driver suddenly accelerated and fled, triggering a pursuit through city streets. What happens next is not something officers or most drivers see every day.
From 7, that vehicle's taken off. It's going northbound Washington through the red light. Speeds of 56 and increasing. Still northbound Washington, just past University. Vehicle's braking for the red light. Turning into the middle school right now. Vehicle's still traveling about 35 miles an hour. It's going through the stop signs. Westbound Farnham, 56 miles an hour.
Do you guys hear him calling in everything? Calling in everything. So that means she's about to have a long list of charges. He's literally, when he's saying going 56, that's probably a 20, 30 mile an hour road. Then she drive through a middle school flying. It's crazy. But let's keep it moving.
Still westbound Farnham. Went straight to the stop sign.
So the passenger door's open.
Passenger door is open. Still westbound Farnham through Lockwood. 54 miles an hour. Vehicle almost ran through a whole leaf pile. Still westbound Farnham, Maple Grove. Southbound Oak Ridge, she's at a dead end. She cut through a cider right now, right in front of Alta Beauty. She just crashed into Alta.
She just tagging along with the charges. Adding more charges. She going to prison. This chick is going to prison.
Still trying to get out of anything. She's still driving her vehicle. There's a bottom where she's inside the store, trying to back out of it. She's right through the front. Back to the car to the back of her now. Come with the grill.
Where she thinks she going? She's still trying to escape. And she's lucky because when people use these cars as weapons, usually the police will open fire. You know, so she's lucky. She's lucky. Ain't nobody open fire. But let's keep it moving.
Hey, I'm putting spikes in front of that door. Oh, look out, look out, look out. Go, 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 go. All the way up to the doors. All the way up to the doors. Right there, stop. No, get out. Get out.
Hey, get everybody go! Behind me. Is anyone behind me?
Get back, get back, get back. You're good, you're good. You're good. That's Berkeley. Keep coming. You're good. Just watch that car on the left. Turn the car off! Passenger's still in the vehicle?
No, inside the car.
Passenger in the...
Inside the store.
Does the passenger inside the store?
Yes, he got on the car.
Where's he at?
Breaching tools?
Hey, Logan, grab the breaching tool out of the pickup truck. Let's get this door.
She's gonna be stuck. Hold on, watch the spikes. Watch the spikes at your feet. All right, just watch it.
Idiot, stop moving.
No, no, she's stuck too.
Little, you want to push in?
Well,
the open door?
they're doing the passenger right now. Hold on.
I just tried.
Hey, where's your ass? You don't have it? I thought you did. Man! I don't want to get all the way fucking in there.
Here, I'll do the last, little.
If you haven't ever seen a prison sentence, you know, this is a prison sentence. This is a prison, meaning that when she goes to jail, she's probably going to go there for a year, maybe 6 months. And then also the 6 months when she go to trial or she pleads guilty, she's going to prison. You know, this is not a jail call. This is a jail call before and a prison call after, meaning she's about to do some time. But let's keep it moving.
Pull up. Man! Stop! Just stop!
Go, I'm with you.
Well, I don't want to go. I don't want to get stuck in there. Ma'am! Hey! Hey! All right, back this up. Back this up just a little bit, because we got to pull this door open. I don't want to be stuck in there. Just a little bit. Stop. What the fuck?
What the hell?
All right, no, stop.
Watch the spike sign.
Just stop. Just chill. Just chill. Okay.
He told me not to do nothing.
Okay, stop.
He told me not to do nothing.
Man, ain't nobody trying to hear that. And guess who we got? Another modern American black woman. I don't know what's going on with the sisters these days. It's crazy.
Sorry.
Don't go behind the car.
He told me. Okay.
Chill. Just chill.
He told me not to do nothing. I didn't know.
You didn't know.
We got it. Yep, okay. Walk her out, walk her out, walk her out. Watch those spikes. Smooth those spikes. Nice and far.
Police later confirmed there was also a male passenger inside the SUV at the time of the incident. He was taken into custody along with the woman. According to court records, the woman has been charged with 8 felony counts, including fleeing and eluding police, second offense operating while intoxicated, assaulting and resisting officers, 2 counts of felonious assault, and multiple counts of malicious destruction of property. Cases like this show how quickly a suspected impaired driving stop can spiral into serious felony charges with long-term consequences. If you appreciate...
You heard what he said, long-term consequences. She going to prison. She ain't going to kiddie's jail. She going up there with the women who done did bad things. But let's keep it moving.
Real, unfiltered police body cam footage and factual case breakdowns. Subscribe to Body Cam Stories. And if you want to directly support the work behind these videos, including public records requests and in-depth research, consider becoming a channel member. Your support helps us continue bringing you real cases without sensationalism.
It's crazy. All that for nothing.
She's crashed into Alta, crashed into Alta.
All that for nothing. But guys, this is all I got for the video. I appreciate you guys, man. Leave some comments, and I'm gonna holler at you on the next one. Over and out.